brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, thanks for watching. This is George here in the Wicked Warning Shop with the brand new Toyota Taco. I like tacos. You like tacos? We got the Tacoma here. This is for tread dock. It does the big giant tires on the mining equipment for all the big mine trucks and such, so he needs a little lighting. You can see down in the grill there, lower part of the grill on the outer edges, we did our LIN-6. We did that in white, and we did it on a alternating pattern to keep both lights lit up. I was kind of debating going between a solid left and right alternation, but this truck being that he's in a mine, I didn't want the lights to be off in the front really for any period of time, so I did the split pattern. Let me show you. Here you can see our linear 6 again on the lower grill there, alternating left and right. I'm gonna give you a little neo angle so you see a little better. And there you can see our linear 6, and I hope this answers the question by the camera, the way it's acting. Are my lights bright? Yes, you can see they're very bright. I've never gotten a complaint that they're not bright enough, especially in white. There's the mounting that we discussed right there on the lower bumper corner. It's easy to wire, easy to install. A real good project for a DIY or a self-install. Let me spin this truck around and show you what we did in the back. Alright, so out back on this truck, the third brake light is all LED, including the cargo portion, so it's a bit difficult on these new Tacos to get anything in the third brake light. The red portion of the brake light and the white portion of the reverse light in the lenses on the bed here are easy enough to add in. So if you wanted a red warning in the red portion, that's easy. And if you want any color, red, green, blue, orange, or white in the reverse, that's also easy. And we'll go ahead and show you here what we did on the reverse. You can see how the reflection when I turn the camera light on and off, I turned the flash off the camera for the brake lights there. These are our LED HAW DUO. We chose a fast double flash alternation, again, to get more motion and just more activity. I wanted to have this truck have a lot of motion in it because of the work that it does on the mines. Show you a little corner action. These LED HAW Duos are the HD version. They're mounted from the bottom up in this truck. Again, a very easy DIY install. This is certainly something you could do yourself if you happen to have one of these Tacomas. Take a look in the description or look for a pop-up that might be on this video about where to purchase this as a kit. We'll put a package together with the wiring, the switch, and everything that you need for this simple installation, and you can buy it all in one easy click. You can also get this kit in amber if you choose. Just simply take the kit contents and change the color. Let me show you a little bit about where we mounted the switch. So as you can see here inside the vehicle, there's a blank right next to the 40 watt, 100 watt AC inverter switch and next to the fog light switch right here that we mounted our simple toggle switch in. We went with a simple toggle on this one because the blank is relatively small. So the 3/4 inch round flush mount that we use doesn't really fit that well. So as you can see, we just went with a simple amber toggle. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed our taco video here for the Toyota Tacomas. And if you have any questions, be sure to send us an email at info@wickedwarnings.com. Make sure you check out our YouTube, our website, our Facebook, and all of our other social media feeds. And give us a like and a share and a comment wherever you are. Thanks again for watching. It's George again at Wicked Warnings here in Chicago, Illinois.